Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've come down to the marina here in Calais de Fust, and we're going to discuss why I think your first ever thing you should buy for your camera is a polarizing filter. If your camera has filter threads on the end of the lens, you'll be able to fit a polarizing filter like this, and that will enhance the skies, cut down on reflection and glare in any of your images. And what's good about a polarizing filter, they are really affordable. The effect of a polarizing filter is not something you can create in post-production, and if you are somebody who shoots JPEG only, then this filter is an essential bit of kit. Polarizers start at just a few pounds. However, I do recommend that you go for a brand name filter. I use Hoya filters. I have used in the past even an Amazon Basics one. It's quite a good little filter. I only changed that because I wanted to be consistent with my other cameras which were using Hoya filters. Otherwise I would have stuck with that one. Stay away from really cheap filters. It is a false economy. You can pick them up on eBay for £4 or £5, but in the past I've tried those and I've found that sometimes the quality of the glass is very poor and you end up with images which are slightly out of focus, not quite as sharp as they would be without using the filter at all. So the next step, I'm going to show you some images I've taken with and without the polarizing filter, and we'll see the difference the effect has, particularly on the water here. Now, polarizing filters also work really well if you are in a dense woodland, it's been raining, there's a lot of light reflected off the leaves because they're wet. Polarizer will cut through that and it makes sort of your autumnal shots look much richer and much more vibrant. So it's good for things like that. Also, if you're an automotive photographer and you're taking photographs of cars, it will cut down on the glare you get off the paintwork if it's highly polished, and also any reflections that are in the windscreens it will reduce, and making just a much better shot all in all. You won't get any lens flares, anything like that are unwanted using the polarizing filter. One thing to remember though, if you are, for example, shooting across a lake and you want the reflections of the trees in the water on a particularly nice day or autumn shot, something like that, remember, either take the filter off or reduce it to its minimum effect, and that will give you your nice reflection. Obviously, if you're wanting to remove reflections like we are today, get the filter out, put it on the camera, it's going to be worth the effort. So I hope the short video has convinced you of the merits of a polarizer. If it has, you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel out an awful lot, and gives YouTube that message to share it with other people. Please leave a comment as to your thoughts. If you want some recommendations for polarizers, I'm more than happy to help. If you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get to see more content to produce. If you'd like to support the channel, then I do have super thanks available, or you can buy me a coffee if you're feeling slightly more generous, and everything goes into making more content for the channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.